sure you don't want to go up there further? Look at how cool that is.
No, we got a good vantage here. I think we're pretty good right here.
Wow.
Hey everyone, we're in, oh shit. Is this gonna work? Wanamingo! Part of the Kenyan Wanamingo School District, storm chasing, taking the Winslow Mansion live on tour. Got some great rotation here on radar. Yeah, I think we're northwest. Really some dark stuff here. Not gonna venture much closer here.
Whoa, look at that.
Yeah,
Black.
yeah, very black here.
Hello.
Oh yeah, there's Scott Junker.
Oh,
Well, as you guys know him from such hits as running for county commissioner of Washington Counter. I can't even say it. I'm so excited I can't speak.
Oh my
yeah.
God. You gotta get in there somehow. Is it moving to the east? I can see that.
Well, it's moving to the
northeast a little.
East of us. We're okay.
Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at it right here. And it's dropped 15 degrees since we left, hasn't it? About?
Yeah. But we're in a good, really great signature on radar. Wanamingo.
Kenyan Wanamingo, public and parochial. 2 hours late. Look at that.
Yeah.
Kenyan Wanamingo.
Great signature on radar earlier. We got here. Wonder if we'll have to start moving here pretty quick. Nah, this is a good spot. I don't.
How fast that sucker.
I know. No magnets, unless we get one in Wanamingo.
Wanamingo. Well, look at that corn is about chest high by the 4th of July. I can't believe how fast that moves. Look at
Moving pretty fast.
That black was way over there before. Now.
Yeah. Wonder if we should move down a little more. Okay, we're gonna move down a little more here, and we'll go live. Going live as we move on down the road. Now I'm gonna check radar. I'm gonna end it right now and check the radar.